Hirose Electric offers connectors that help to reduce the size and weight of EV systems while maintaining reliable contact when exposed to high temperatures and high vibration levels. Hirose's GT50 series and KW30 series are 1mm pitch single-row connectors for signal transmission. Both offer two-point contacts and locking mechanisms for reliability connectivity, and they utilize small wires for further weight savings. The GT50 features a stabilizer to reduce contact wear, while the KW30 series features a rib on the plug for a secure fit. Hirose's 65-amp DF60FS series and 30-amp HVH280 series are suitable for EV chargers, motor drives, and other high-power applications. The DF60FS series right-angle connectors enable flexible component placement and reduce design height, with a 5-point contact for stable connectivity. The HVH280 series offers a more compact footprint and is available in a waterproof version with an interlock mechanism. Both series offer robust locking mechanisms with clear tactile feedback when properly mated.